Name 2 national U.S. holidays. Martin Luther King Jr. fought for civil rights. Americans celebrate Martin Luther King Jr. Day on the third Monday of January every year. George Washington was the founding father and the first president of the United States. Thomas Jefferson signed the Declaration of Independence and was the third president of the United States. Abraham Lincoln signed the Emancipation Proclamation to free the slaves and was the 16th president of the United States. Woodrow Wilson was the president during World War I. He was the 28th president. Franklin D. Roosevelt was president during World War II and the Great Depression. He was the 32nd president of the United States. Americans celebrate President's Day on the third Monday of February every year. On Memorial Day, we honor soldiers who have died in battle or wars. Americans observe Memorial Day on the last Monday of May every year. The Congressional Congress adopted the Declaration of Independence on July 4, 1776. The Declaration of Independence announced America's independence or freedom from Great Britain. Americans celebrate Independence Day on July 4th every year. Veterans Day honors veterans, people who served in the military, on November 11th every year. Name 2 national U.S. holidays. Some of the national holidays include Martin Luther King Jr. Day, President's Day, Memorial Day, Independence Day, and Veterans Day.